export of onions in the country. Yes, this decision was taken yesterday to be able to ensure that the stock and the supply of onions remains steady in the markets. Now remember, there has been a very sharp rise as far as onion prices are concerned since the past couple of months. In fact, the last month, if you can say, the average price of onions was somewhere close to 16 to 20 rupees at Lasalgaon market in Nasik, which is the main market, if we can say, for onions is concerned. And now it has almost risen up to 30 rupees, which has become the average price, which is a sharp increase for onions. Now remember, onions as such is a very important commodity as far as the kitchen item of a common man goes. And whenever the onion prices rise, there are always in the past seen to be reactions from people complaining about it. Now these are the onions which we are talking about. We are reporting from a Dadar market here. Remember, every day stocks of onions are brought into the retail markets for people to buy. A lot of people tend to buy these onions. Now as you're seeing, these are the onions which are the available stock. There is no fresh crop of onion, because even that is another factor here. Because heavy rains have happened in North Karnataka, places like Madhya Pradesh, even inside Maharashtra, there have been heavy rains in Nashik, Pune and Baramati, and these are the main areas from where the fresh crop of onion is expected. And they always come by about November. But because now it has rained so heavily that there is going to be a delay in the fresh crop of onions. In fact, even the farmers have been saying that they are hardly receiving about 2,500 tons of onions on an everyday basis, which is very less as compared to what they were receiving before, which definitely means that if in case there is a shortage in the supply of onions, it is going to lead to an increase in the price of onions from here. So that is why, to ensure that the available stock of onions remains within the country, and also to ensure that the price of onions do not escalate further, this is the major reason why government has banned the export of onions. To talk more about onions and how our exports work, India has always played a major share as far as the export of commodity of onions is concerned. In fact, it was seeing a very good demand from countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Dubai. These countries were making a big demand for onions from India. But because the government had to ensure that the available quintals of onions proves enough for our people itself, the ban on the export of the onions was brought in. Remember, Lasalgaon market showed an average price of 30 rupees onion yesterday. And this is definitely per kg I'm talking about. And this is definitely an indication of how, if at all it escalates further, then it can prove to be a major factor here as far as increasing the prices is concerned. Remember, the government is also looking after the future prospects it will have, and the future is about the Bihar elections as well, and which is why it is necessary that the onion prices remain stable and the ban on the exports has been brought in. With video journalist Rajesh, this is Neha for Mirror Now from Mumbai.